Hi everyone, Cassie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. Today I am just going to show you some goodies that I bought from Elle and Hutson, and some of it's stamping related, but some of it actually is not. So let's take a look at what I got. All right, so some of it's kind of random, and some of it is, there's, just a method to the madness. Some of it was just things I needed, but the rest of it, I have a plan for it for while I'm watching TV, and it'll make more sense when I show you. But first of all, I had to get this. This was on sale, and I've wanted this set for a while. This is the Peekaboo Pals Camp Wanna Stamp, and this was a collaboration between Avery, Elle, and Elle and Hutson, and made especially for them. It's the only place you can get it. But I love the Peekaboos anyway, and this one's kind of, it's like obviously a river or camp themed, and I really love that. And this one does have the matching dies, I think. I think it does. Let's see. How do you open it? Oh, there. Yes, matching dies are back here. So it's in one pouch. So there's the matching dies. But this was a set. And I love these little images. And these images can be used with any of the Peekaboo Pal stuff that you got in your stash. And y'all know I have a few things because I just love them. I love the mix and match. And we've got a little bear, a little bunny, a little fox, and a little raccoon. We got a fish, and of course all their little paws. Our friendship is written in the stars. Here's to another year of adventure, and can you believe it? Canoe, believe it. That's hilarious. And then we have a push here. So this would be a great light up card, which I guess that might happen. All right, anyway, so there's that one. I also got the Lawn Fawn Giant Happy Birthday just because I love to make happy birthday cards. That and thank you cards seem to be the things I need the most of. So this is just perfect to add to the stash. Another little rando was the VersaFine Clair Reinker because I use my VersaFine Clair all the time. So I got the Reinker. And I did get another set of mini Snips. I love these. I love them so much. In fact, actually, I use them for the nail strips that I use. And this is just a great... So I actually took the one out of my craft room and I've started using them for the nail strips. And so this will replace the one that I took from my craft room. So I got another set of Snips. I also got... Now all this next stuff is stuff that I got for Christmas sewing projects. And obviously these could be used on cards, but I plan to make some little felt ornaments. We've got the So Cute Snowman. I love this. These are things that I'll probably cut out and I can sit and, I say watch TV, but watch TV and sew, and then it'll keep me from snacking. So I've got that one. I got the memory box. Frosty Mitten, just because I loved that as well. Talk about super cute. Make ornaments out of these, just great. And then this was on sale, so I had to get it. It's the Ginger Plushie kit. So it's the same concept, except it's all gingerbread men, and it comes with, or woman, it comes in a pouch, the big pouch, and it has one, two, let's just pull it all out so you can take a look. So it comes with the pouch. Move these out of the way. And then we've got the Gingerbread Girl. This is the Plushie Girl, and it has the stitching. Or if you don't want to do that and you just want to put it on a card. Then we also have the Gingerbread Boy, and then we have the Gingerbread Skellie, which I thought was just a cute little add-on. You can make little gingerbread skeleton Halloween plushies, which I thought was kind of fun. And then this kit comes with the floss, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of felt. Let me get you those colors out. Let me show you the colors really quickly so you can see. But this is just fun. I think this is just fun. And so you get all the different felt, you get the floss, and then you get all the little dies. That's what this kit is. And it's great because then I can cut out a bunch, have it sitting in my pouch, and then whenever I want to put together a plushie, I can just pull out the pouch and there you go. So that's what I got out of Elle and Hutson. I'll have things linked down below. Great store, love shopping there. And so yeah, everything will be linked down below. If you like this video, hit that like button and definitely subscribe if you haven't already done so. And thank you for your comments and all the love that you guys give me. I really do appreciate it. And that's the kind of stuff that keeps me going, keeps me producing videos and giving you guys content. And I will see you very soon in another video. Bye everybody.